Mr. Butler, I gotta let you know I'm so excited about all the new renovations that have happened at Hawthorne. We've got a new gym, we've got a new LGI room, we've got a new STEM lab, and you guys will not believe how awesome our new media center is.
Well, it's tremendous, and I'm honored to be here tonight to see the new Hawthorne Elementary School. It is absolutely gorgeous. The layout and the plans that they prepared for the school are outstanding. It's kid-friendly, and we're focusing on learning and instruction in a positive way with the different colors, the different carpets and things that are in support of learning with the children. It's just an outstanding building, it's an outstanding plan, and I think it's going to do great things in the future.
Hawthorne is just totally remodeled. The look is so warm and welcoming. It feels like a great, safe place that our scholars will want to come and feel like we are invested in them. So I love everything about the building. The library has these little nooks, so everything is amazing.